Let's learn. Let's talk about something called testicular implant or testicular prosthesis on ultrasound. Let's define what a testicular implant or a testicular prosthesis is. This is a structure, or this is an artificial testicle that is placed in the scrotum when the testis is removed. Why do we remove the testis? Testis can be removed either because of torsion or either because there was a disease like cancer that was in the testis. So when the surgeon goes in, they decide to remove the testis. And most of the time that place becomes the space where the testis is in the scrotum becomes empty and unproportional. So they will decide to put there this structure called an implant, or this structure called a prosthesis. And sometimes it might bring problems, it might bring issues like pain. You may start feeling pain when you have this implant in the scrotum. But so when you go to the hospital, they will decide to do an ultrasound just to see what is happening, or just to see why the pain is there. And when we come for an ultrasound scan, what we see is we just see an echogenic organ with acoustic shadowing behind the echogenic line. And what are we looking for when you have a prosthesis, a testicular prosthesis? We are looking for either bleeding, hemorrhage in the scrotum, because sometimes these prosthesis, these implants can easily cause bleeding. And exactly that's what we'll be looking for. We're looking for bleeding. We're looking for either this fluid in the scrotal sac, or there's a hernia, there's inguinal-scrotal hernia. So those are some of the things that if you are doing the scan and you've been told that the patient has a testicular implant or a testicular prosthesis, then that is what you will be looking for. Once you see this, then you will know that these are testicular prosthesis. And just look for any fluid around the prosthesis. Just look for any fluid in the scrotal sac. If it's there, then this is what we are going to communicate to the clinician or to the doctor who's referring the patient. So thank you always for following me. Thank you always for liking my videos and page. Let's keep on learning. I love you guys. Have a good day.